the money, then you get the power, respect. Post come last.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Hey everyone, we are back with another eye look tutorial. If you are new, welcome and hit the subscribe button and bell to let you know when a new video is up, and thanks for anybody supporting my channel. The look is inspired by BeautybyMinks on Instagram. I basically wanted to do this look because I love the colors, and then I had a shirt exactly like her photo and more practice, you know? What the hell, right? So let's get into the tutorial. Started with my usual Urban Decay primer potion and then Urban Decay concealer in the color Fair. However, instead of applying it all on my lid, we'll be creating a wing eye. Take your time drawing your wing eye in the corners, so it'll be less of a hassle when cleaning up. It'd be okay if you mess it up a bit though, on the crease and lid, because it will get covered up with the glitter once that step comes. And I won't lie though, wing eyes have always been a tedious step for me to do on my own. I believe I stated in my earlier eye tutorials, because usually one wing eye is better than the other, or one eye struggles to keep closed, etc, etc. I'm just like, oh my gosh, can I just get them perfect? Can I just have both of them perfect? I know it'll be easy for me as I keep going and doing more wing looks, but I don't know. I'd rather just get somebody else to do it for me, you know? And I am going a little bit above my crease, by the way, because I do have a slight hooded eye, because I don't like my colors being lost in my crease or my hood. I'd rather be able to see everything, you know, going on. That's one thing I always learned. When I first started, I was like, why I don't see my eyeshadow? I'm supposed to see more. I'm supposed to see more of my color, instead it's going in my crease. I shouldn't have to like close my eyes to see it, you know? Now, once the outline of the wing is sketched on my eye, I'm going to take this dark blue color and a regular blue color, mix them together and place it on the end of my wing and outer corner of my eye. I'm just going to start packing it down lightly on that wing so it doesn't go everywhere, and less time struggling to clean it later on once I finish the whole look. Again, I am using my Coastal Scents 252 Ultimate Eye Palette. I honestly love this palette because of the simple fact that eyeshadow is great quality for what it's worth. I don't really see much fallout when applying it, and it is a good starter for anyone who cannot afford to buy a palette that usually costs $45 to $60. And if y'all don't know, I do have another video that is uploaded with this video at the same time today. It is my first story time about fake friends fighting over cookies, instigation, all that kind of stuff, etc, etc. And this is like my first time actually talking about anything about myself because of being a private person. For me, I'd rather be able to be ready to talk about things about myself instead of being forced to, if you understand what I mean. But go check it out. Now I'm taking a light blue color and placing next to the dark blue color on my lid. And then I'm begin to blend in between both so it can give me more of an ombre effect. Off topic though, I've definitely been on a roll with these videos though. I definitely need a break, more long-term supporters, and money. One thing though about these colors, I would like to name them, but Lord, trying to name 252 colors in one sitting will be too much for me. And then what if you call one color indigo blue, but another person in the comments be like, that's actually cerulean blue, and then another be like, no, that's violet blue. We'll be battling over which is the right color name on my eye palette though. I'm just saying. It'll be a mess. Next, I take this beautiful pigment lime green color and placing it on my lid and next to the light blue, doing the same as I done before, blending it out. One thing I really was excited when I saw this lime green color, it was just popping out, ready to be used on my eyes. It was saying, you see me, take me now. Like, I mean, you are standing out. You really are. You really are a pretty color. You really is, okay? Then I kind of started to notice my left eye was a bit different from the right. So I wanted to go back in with the concealer to make sure they are the same size. So that's why I was like, hold on now. I think one is kind of different. You want to, I try to make sure that is at least, if I can't do the wing eye all the way perfect, at least make sure my lids are at the same size, And I forgot to say, as well, I'm putting all the colors on my lower lash line as well to match with the top. Now I'm taking this pale yellow color and placing it in my inner corner of my eye and meshing it together with the lime green. Don't mind my faces, by the way, throughout this whole video, y'all. I was just listening to music and then I was just so happy that my makeup was coming along in a good way. So I'm telling you, it's just anything in general. When you know you're doing good with something, it's coming together swiftly and easy and stuff, it's like, you know what? I'm gonna get this hands down. I'm be feeling like the itch tonight. And right now I'm just going back in to just blend all the colors in and make sure everything is blended in right. And adding more pigment to where if anything seems like a little bit too faded away. Now, finally, onto the last thing, I am applying my glitter. I'm using Stila in the color Diamond Dust. And I'm taking a very small detail brush, the smallest one as possible, and placing it on the line tracing around my wing eye. And I honestly love glitter. I love using this product too. Only thing though I could say that's kind of like a bad thing about glitter is that it can be messy. It can get everywhere. Even if you just use some glitter glue to hold the glitter down, it will still get anywhere. So that's the only bad thing. And remember, take your time. This is pretty much the final and important detail to make your eye look pop. Okay, so right now I'm just trying to just wipe off any excess, because I know one of the lines looked a little bit thicker, so I was just trying to wipe it away. And you'll see that I was sitting here trying to make sure that I got rid of some of it on my temple, because it did get some. So I got a few glitter flakes on my temple and a little bit on my hair. So now, basically, once that's finished, I am going to start cleaning up with my makeup wipes, my concealer, and foundation, and put the rest of the makeup on, and I'll be back for my finished look. This is the finished look, y'all. I had to ask my mirror who is the fairest, and my mirror was like, "You're the fairest, Kabi. You're the fairest. Look at you. Them eyes look so deadly good that it might cause me to shatter." And I was like, "Now, mirror, don't be saying that. We can't be having that." So I hope y'all enjoyed, though. Hit the like button, comment, share the video, and again, subscribe, and I hope to see y'all for the next video. Peace.